Hello student, today we do exercise 2.4 which is optional exercise. Important exercise of chapter 2nd. Based on this exercise, first we do its example number 5. Verify that 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3 are the zeros of cubic polynomial. Cubic means to say degree 3. And verify the relation between the zeros and the coefficient. In exercise 2.2, we have done relation between quadratic polynomial zeros and its coefficient. Here we have to find the relation between cubic polynomial zeros and its coefficient. Introduction. If here cubic polynomial, then how many zeros comes? 3 zeros. Let these zeros are alpha, beta. You all are familiar these two zeros, alpha, beta. Next, third zero is gamma, symbol of gamma. Sum of these zeros, alpha plus beta plus gamma, comes minus b by a, where b is coefficient of x square and a is coefficient of x cube. Standard form, let me write here, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a not equals to 0, a, b, c, d are all constant term. When you find alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, we will write it as sum of the product of two zeros taken at a time. It will c by a. C, coefficient of x by में coefficient of x cube. Next one, product of zeros. That is minus d by a. D is constant term by में coefficient of x cube. Sum of zeros निकालेंगे, that comes minus b by a. Sum of zeros, product of two zeros taken at a time, that is c by a, and product of zeros minus d by a. Now we are going to do example number 5. In example number 5, first we verify p of x 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3. P at 3. In place of x we will put 3. 3 power 3 makes 27. 3 power 2 makes 9. Minus 33 minus 3. 81. Solving. Add. माइनस 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 प्लस साइन माइनस का होगा, ऐड करने पर 81, इट कम्स 0. वेरीफाई, ये कंफर्म 0 आएगा. नेक्स्ट, पुट p at minus 1. In place of x we will put minus 1. minus 1 cube is minus 1, minus 1 square is 1, 11 1 ja 11, minus 3, minus 3, minus 5 plus 11, minus 3. Adding, cancel, remainder comes 0. P8 minus 1 by 3, solving, minus 1 power, minus 1 by 3 power 3. We will solve it like this. Minus comes 3 times, that's why minus. Minus 1 by 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Student, you also mark a rough line at the right side of the page. Minus power 2, 1, 1 by 9, minus power odd, then comes minus, minus power even, then comes plus. Minus minus plus, 11 by 3, minus 3 by 1. Solving, minus 1 by 9, minus 5 by 9, 11 by 3, minus 3. If you want to solve the fractional part, you always have to take LCM. LCM is 9, minus 1, 9 cancel from denominator, 9 1s are 9 multiplied by numerator, minus 1, then minus 5, 3 3s are 11 3s are 33, cancel 9, 9 3s are 27. Solving, minus 1 minus 5 minus 27 makes minus 33, plus 33 by 9 it makes 0, 0 by 9 makes 0. See, it proves 0 0 0. Now we will find its relation. How? For relation, first we compare on comparing. A, coefficient of x cube is 3. B, coefficient of x square minus 5. C, coefficient of x minus 11. And D, constant term. D is a constant term. Sum of 0, alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha is 3, beta minus 1, gamma minus 1 by 3. 3 into 3 plus minus 1 plus minus 1 by 3. Solving, take LCM. Nine minus 4 makes 3. 9 minus 4 makes 5. 5 by 3. Leave some space and write here minus b by a. See, b is minus 5, a is 3, and in front of it minus, both are same, hence proved. Similarly, we will do like quadratic polynomial. Next, alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha. Alpha is 3, 3 multiply minus 1, minus 1 multiply minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3 multiply 3. Cancel. 3 1s are 3, plus 1 by 3, minus 1. LCM, solving. Minus 12 plus 1 by 3 minus 11 by 3. 11 by 3, which is equals to C by A. C is coefficient of x by में coefficient of x cube. C minus 11, A is 3. Both are same. Product of 0, alpha, beta, gamma. मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे आप इन तीनों जीरोस को. कट. It comes minus 1 into minus 1, 1, which is equals to minus d by a, where d is constant term and a is a coefficient of x cube. स्पेस को आपने फिल करना है. माइनस वैल्यू ऑफ डी इज minus 3 and a is 3. माइनस से माइनस कैंसिल, 3 से 3 कैंसिल, it comes 1, which is equals to minus d by a, hence proved, hence verified. Next, the part 1 of question number 1, optional exercise 2.4. Verify the relation between zeros and the coefficient 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2. Zeros are alpha 1 by 2, beta 1, gamma minus 2. Part 1. Here polynomial 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2. In place of x you will put here 1 by 2. Solving. 1 by 2 power 3 makes 1 by 8. 1 by 4. 5 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 5 by 2 plus 2 by 1. Take LCM. It will come 4. 2 2s are 5 2s are 10, 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 9 plus 1 10. 10 minus 10 makes 0. 0 by 4 makes 0. Hence 1 by 2 it's 0. Next one, P at 1. 2, 1 cube, 1 square, 5 into 1 plus 2. 2 plus 1 minus 5 plus 2. Solving 2 1 3 plus 2 5. 5 minus 5 0. Hence it also proves. Student, आपको दिया हुआ वेरीफाई मीन्स टू से जब आप 1 by 2 1 और minus 2 पुट करेंगे it confirms shows zeros. Now put P at minus 2. 2 into minus 2 cube minus 2 square minus 5 into minus 2 plus 2 minus 8. 2 2s are 4. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 minus 16. Solving it comes 0. Now relation. For relation first we will compare. Here A is 2, B is 1, C is minus 5 and D is 2. Sum of zeros. We will write it as alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2. Solving. 3 minus 4 by 2 makes minus 1 by 2. Leave some space and write down here minus b by a. b is 1, a is 2. Sign minus c, same, hence proved. Now sum of zeros taken product of two zeros at a time. Alpha, that is 1 by 2. Beta 1, beta 1, gamma minus 2, gamma minus 2, alpha 1 by 2. Cancel. 1 by 2 minus 2 minus 1. Solving. Minus 5 by 2. Leave some space. Write down here c by a. C is the coefficient of x. A is the coefficient of x cube. C minus 5. A is 2. Both are same. Now next and last, alpha, beta, gamma, product of zeros. 1 by 2, 1 minus 2. Cancel. It comes minus 1. Leave some space. That is minus d by a, where d is 2, a is 2. Put sign minus. Cancel. Minus 1, which is equals to minus d by a. D is the constant term and a is the coefficient of x cube. It proves. Now the next is part second. X cube minus 4x square plus 5x minus 2, and its zeros are 2, 1, 1. First, we will verify its zeros. P at 2, 2 cube, minus 4 into 2 square, 5 into 2 minus 2, 8, 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10, minus 2. Solving. Plus plus plus, minus minus plus, sign of minus, cancel, 0. Now P at 1. One cube is 1, 4 into 1 square 1, 5 1 जा 5, minus 2. ये दोनों प्लस होकर माइनस का 6 आ जाएगा. 5 plus 1 6, 6 से 6 cancel, 0. Again we have to put 1, same, it comes 0. On comparing, A is 1, B minus 4, C 5, D minus 2. Alpha plus beta plus gamma, 2 plus 1 makes 4. Leave some space and write down here minus b by a. See, now b is minus 4, a is 1. माइनस आपने लगाना है, कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 4 आ गया, और जो कि माइनस के कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर बाय में कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स क्यूब के इक्वल है. नाउ sum of zeros taken product of two zeros at a time. 2 into 1, 1 into 1, 1 into 2. 2 plus 1 plus 2 makes 5. Leave some space. Write down c by a. C, that is coefficient of x. A, coefficient of x cube. Same. Hence proved. Now the last, product of zeros. 2 into 1 makes 2. Leave some space. Write down minus d by a. D minus 2. A 1 बाहर माइनस का साइन है, कैंसिल माइनस फ्रॉम माइनस, 2/1 मेक्स 2 which is equals to minus d by a, hence proved. Thank you student, have a nice day, keep smiling everyone.